Welcome to 2542 Bryan Drive here in the Cobblewood subdivision in Northbrook. This beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, single-family house has such amazing features and upgrades. I can't wait to show them to you, so let's go and take a look. The first floor has a great open floor plan that flows beautifully from room to room and has hardwood floors throughout. One of my favorite features is this beautifully remodeled kitchen with a large center island, stone countertops, 42-inch custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances, and opens up to the rest of the home. As you enter the primary bathroom, you feel like you are transported to an oasis with the beautiful finishes for the double vanities, the soaking tub, and the standing rain shower. This large, inviting basement space is a great space for entertaining family, as a workout area, and has an additional bedroom that can be used as an office as well. This stunning home feeds into the Willowbrook, Maple, and Glenbrook North school districts.